Hello, in front of me I've got OnePlus Buds Z2. In this video I'll show you how to pair them with Android smartphone. In the beginning, on your Android smartphone, go to Bluetooth settings. Now, enter other available devices and enter pairing mode. Select OnePlus Buds Z2. Confirm. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.